Hi guys, you can see that's Lavender right over. It's Bella, dumb. Oh, Bella is over here changing his clothes, and we're gonna make something. AKA Oreos. But first, let's wait for Bella to get ready. But I'm gonna do this one. Bro, he's so slow. Let's move a little bit. Oh, wait lang. Can you see me? We don't need it.
Look at me t-shirt. It might leak my stuff.
Let's pause it first. Oh, never mind. Oh, milk. We're not using that. And we're not using this either. Let's just put all the ingredients in here. But I'm gonna hold this one.
I'm gonna. I'll not leak my t-shirt.
Okay, we're gonna start, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
So first, we're gonna do like this. You know I'm already doing it.
Gumawa na naman dyan ng kawawalis ko lang. Ano na yung kalat na yan dyan?
Let's mash this. Let's mash the Oreos. Hurry up! Mash Oreos. So if you have Oreos, make this out, y'all.
What are you doing? Making mashed potatoes with what do you call that?
Oreos,
What Oreo version?
not mashed potatoes. It's just gonna smash it until it's smash.
Why don't you use a potato masher?
Baby, I don't have a thing. Well, this. Well, we're not using this. We are using this spoon. Be careful, it might pop. You done, Bella?
Yes, almost. After you're gonna put coffee.
Yeah. You know the one I post, which is I removed.
Yeah, we're not gonna sponsor that.
Yeah. But later.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
Hi.
Say hi.
I'm
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Lavender's right here.
What do you mean lavender?
I mean Bella.
That was my old name.
Bella.
Now I'm here.
Now let's. Ano it? Not it done.
Lagyan pa natin.
Oh no. It broke. Little is okay now? No, not yet. Still here.
Galing kayo gumawa ng card. Yan mga card na yan. Sino nagkalat yan?
No.
Yan mga card na yan.
Hindi ko alam. Okay, let's put it here.
Can I pour it since you smell it? Lagyan pa natin kayo na.
You get the I forgot. Get another bowl.
Why? We're gonna share?
No, get another bowl for this. And a plate, the small plate.
Here's your water, ma'am. It's empty.
Empty.
It looks like dirt that came from
Can
our
you get?
backyard.
Do you need another? Ano? You add this thing here, and we're gonna need this for later. You add the ano here. Well, I'll add water. Only a little.
pa natin.
Only a little bit. Only a little bit.
I know it's already a little bit.
But you need water for this too. So get. So it's not that enough. I added to it. Okay. It popped.
The milk, it broke.
You should add more
Add more what?
milk. There. Almost done.
Hindi ka pala sa batang malikot, taga-akyat.
Don't put it in the camera.
Wala ata niya, hindi siya sasaktan mo ang bumukulang.
Can you see it?
Kung mali, ingay, manahimik ka dyan.
There you go. It's turning great.
Tell me when to. I know what. I know stuff.
Cup. You put in.
Kasi nung tayo lang dito, hindi ka nakakadami. Kanina nagkadami ng tao, saka ka nakabukulan. Yung ano kanina doon, tawag nito, nagbukas.
No.
Kanilang CR.
Sure.
Hindi nga na.
Just add more.
Basta
This one.
mahigpit ang pagkasira.
Add more.
Binuksan mo ata eh. Kaya nakapasok siya.
John, did you open the bathroom?
Yeah. I thought he was gonna pee here.
Binuksan daw ni Julian kasi akala niya iihi siya. O, umihi siya, hindi siya lumabas.
Kaya lang dito.
Okay, that's enough.
Ano?
There. It's some a little bit.
What did you name yourself?
Nothing yet.
In YouTube, dumb.
No, not yet. My name is still
Can't I just call you Kitty?
That's gonna be my name now. Kitty. I'm gonna change it later.
Or
Okay.
maybe
Oh, I
when the
forgot.
video posts.
I'm wrong. You don't need to add water in it.
It's alright.
Dami na naman naiisip nyo. Tapos,
Wait.
ano na naman yung diyang kalat dumi.
No, I was gonna eat that.
You're gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Too bad. My mom is calling me. My mom.